So basically, so I showed you how to stretch your glute muscles, and at the same time in this same position what you have to do is just hold yourself so that you get a stretch in your groin area, or in normal language I would rather say in your inner thighs. Okay, just hold yourself over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So to get maximum stretch or maximum impact, always make sure you are keeping your feet outward. Okay, don't keep it inward. And for people, again I'm repeating, if you think that you have knee pain, try to avoid this stretch. Okay, and rather or you can also keep two cushions below your knees so that you don't really hurt your knees or something like that. Okay, and now the next stretch is a little advanced. Okay, so it is going to stretch your quads. So I'm going to break it down again so that it doesn't get difficult, because many times people, normal people who wants to stretch, do stretching, they get overwhelmed by seeing the stretch itself. So keep one leg in front. So when I'm saying keeping one leg in front, so try to, so this is normal, this is a normal 90-degree for me, but I'm asking you to keep it a little bit more further. Okay, so now you, okay, another thing also, for this stretching you need something below your knees again. So I just folded my mat. So this is 90-degree, you need to keep it a bit more than 90-degree, right? I hope I'm coming completely in the camera. Okay, now what you need to do is, okay, you keep your this thing here a little bit more than, now this hand, keep it like you have to put more your body pressure on this leg, on this hand, and then you need to take this leg up. Okay, and after you take this leg up, try to go a little back. First you started like this, then go back and then pull this leg as much as you can. So you will get a good stretch in your quads. Pull this leg and be straight. Chest should be upright all the time, as I'm saying. Never do hinging and all. Upright and pull. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can understand how much of pressure I felt seeing my facial expressions. Same thing again, repeating. Okay, I'm showing from this angle so that you all can understand. So again what we'll do is, now we'll keep the left leg, this is my left leg. Okay, I'll go a little back. So keeping my left leg in front. Okay, keep it a bit more than 90-degree as I told you. Then whole body in front, almost your upper body. Then take your right leg and then pull and then go back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You will get a good stretch in your quads. If you cannot do this stretch alone, you either can take support or help from someone, whoever is there near to you, or else another thing what you can do is, you can just get close to a wall or something. Okay, in that case what you do, you take a support from the wall, take this leg up and then do the stretching. Well, same thing. Okay, you got it? So you can take a support, no problem in that, but make sure you don't fall or don't hurt yourself in the, just to stretch yourself. Okay, now next is, after this is T-spine rotation. In T-spine rotation, again a simple one, nothing fancy. You can be in this position. In this position, then you when I'm telling you T-spine rotation, in this what you have to do, you have to go down like this. Take your hands, like feel that you're pulling something. Okay, go down, pull pull pull, up, up. So when you're going down in this one, you have to go down like this, go down and then go back. Again I'm showing from front so that you don't have any confusion. Again go down. So when you're going down, the other hand will fold a bit, go down. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, got it? So these are some simple stretchings that you should be doing. on a regular basis before you get into any kind of exercise routine or anything. Rather, I would suggest whoever is watching this video that please consider doing these stretchings every day, just the moment you get up from your bed, like when you wake up in the morning, or before you sleep, you can stretch yourself so that your muscle gets relaxed and you get a very good sleep. Because after doing whole day, it doesn't matter you are doing exercise or not, but you are using your muscles, you are using your body. So after you stretch yourself just before you sleep, you'll get a very good sleep. Okay, so that's the best time. If anybody has a question, what is the best time to do stretching? So the best time to do stretching is once when you wake up, before you sleep. And the third is obviously when you are working out, when you are exercising. There are some stretchings that you should be doing before workout, and there are some cool down stretching that you should be doing post your workout.